Hello guys, it is Trainman 7000 back again. We are unboxing a very rare limited edition 70 Plymouth Superbird. Alright, so this is what it looked like outside of the packet. Pretty good detail, loads of sponsorships. Got the vents on the side like they normally do. Buy one of these cars in real life, a real life version of these. They normally cost $300,000 to $1 million. So. Very shiny at the bottom. Can even see the reflection of the camera. With the side, you got so many sponsorships. You got Loan, you got Hot Wheels, you got Hot Wheels Racing, you got Plymouth at the back, you've got Virgin Airlines. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.